Children of class 8, I hope everybody is fine out there. This is the second video regarding the main crops. Let us move towards the tea. Tea is prepared from the leaves of a very tropical shrub, okay, which is native. Native means what? Main importance of that place to the hill slopes of the monsoon Asia. Now its cultivation probably they have been originated, they have been come from Changjiang Valley of China, okay. And you all know that tea is a very popular drink, okay. It is also known as a beverage drink and most of the British Commonwealth countries. Now tea is a beverage crop grown on a plantation area. Everybody must have seen, okay. Tea plant what they need: sloping land, temperature about 25 degrees Celsius, annual rainfall of 250 centimeter as well as a deep well drained fertile soil, okay. Now cheap labor is also very important for picking up the leaves. Now tea picking is a very skillful job. I think many of you have seen how they pluck the leaves, okay, which requires patience as well as a judgment, okay. Now it is usually done by whom? Especially by the women. Now what they pluck children? Tender leaves and a bud which are usually plucked from each stem. Picking season you can find from March to December, and in India tea leaves are plucked once in a fortnight, okay. Main tea producing countries are China, India, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Japan, Indonesia and so on. Now next we are coming towards coffee. It is also a form of a beverage crop. Coffee plant is a native of the highlands of the southern Ethiopia. Name coffee has been derived from the highland district of Kaffa, okay. Coffee is now a very popular drink. Coffee powder is obtained by grinding the roasted coffee beans or the berries and is widely cultivated on the lower hill slopes of tropical region. Now what are the things that a coffee plant needed? Average temperature is about 22 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall ranging from 150 to 250 centimeter, well-drained loamy soil, shelter from a direct sunlight. Clear? Now Brazil is one of the largest producer and exporter of coffee in the world, and after that other countries also follow: Colombia, India, Angola, Ethiopia, Mexico and so on. Clear then children? Now let us move towards the agriculture development. Most of the countries in the world, they are like making a lots of effort to increase the crop production, okay, to meet with the needs of the increasing population. So this can be achieved how? Through increasing land under cultivation, growing more than one crop in a year, improving irrigation facilities, using HYV seeds known as a high yielding seeds, variety of seeds, using organic as well as a chemical fertilizer, okay. So today we are going to learn about our own country. We all know that India is one of the farm based country. About 75% of the population live in villages and they are totally depend upon directly or indirectly on agriculture. Now what it provides? It provides food for the human beings and raw materials for the agro-based industries. Okay. Now subsistence agriculture is mostly practiced. Subsistence agriculture means what children? The primitive ways. Okay. Farmers family they consume almost the entire produce with little or no surplus to sell in the market. Land holdings are very small due to the inheritance law. Okay, agriculture mainly depend on the monsoon rain, okay, which is sometimes very uncertain, irregular. Most of the farm work like plowing, irrigation, harvesting, they are done by the animals as well as the members of the farmers family. Clear? Production of food crops is the top priority. Area under the fodder crops is also insignificant. Clear? Now what the farmers mostly they face the problem. They cannot buy enough agriculture inputs. They have to borrow money from the money lender. They have to sell their productions or produce immediately after harvest. They have to depend upon various cooperative societies to meet their needs. So, Green Revolution, I hope you have already heard that Green Revolution has changed agriculture in a very following ways. Introduced HYB seeds, what they ensured enough and timely availability of water through irrigation, adequate use of chemical fertilizer, use of pesticides and insecticides, consolidations of land holding, farm mechanization, provision agriculture credit, okay, agriculture universities were being set up to train the farmers how to grow crops, and this helped not only to enhance the production but also to improve the general social as well as economic conditions of the farmers and their families. Okay children, so this much for today. We will meet on the next video. Thank you.